With reliability and fuel economy being the buzzword amongst most riders, Honda unleashed the brand new NC750X. We don't get compensation for our motorcycle reviews, allowing us to bring you true and unbiased opinions. Stay tuned to the end of the video for our honest review. Chucking a respectable 745cc and weighing in at 214 kg dry, a whole 6 kg lighter than the previous models. Its liquid-cooled parallel twin engine produces about 58 horsepower at 6,750 RPM. That's a touch more over the older NC750. Controlling all that power is a ride-by-wire throttle, a slipper clutch, Honda selectable torque control and 4 riding modes: Sport, Standard, Rain, and User. All accessible from the left handlebar controls and display on its LCD dash that's simple to use and easy to understand. The bike, however, doesn't have cruise control. Unique to the NC series, Honda developed a 14.1-litre under-seat fuel tank for the 2021 NC750X, improving handling and stability of the machine and freeing up a huge 23-litre storage where a conventional fuel tank would be. Big enough to fit a full-face helmet. No more tank bags. A USB-C power outlet comes as an option, although we feel that it should come as standard. The LED headlight, tail light, and signal lights comes as standard, improving your presence on the road. The seat height for the NC750X is made 3 cm lower, allowing more riders to enjoy the bike, but at the cost of a slight decrease in suspension travel. The Showa rear is only preload adjustable and the front is non-adjustable. Sitting at the end of the suspension are 17-inch multi-spoke aluminium cast rims and single rotor disc brakes going through a 2-channel ABS. Regular maintenance is every 12,000 kilometers with 4 liters of engine oil, with major servicing at every 24,000 kilometers. Amos is 1.84 meters tall. Let us show you how he looks on the bike. With Mark coming in as a pillion, he felt that it was spacious and the seat was comfortable. With a combined weight of 175 kilos, the shocks held up very well. Very okay! The turning radius of the bike is average for this class. In our opinion, the NC750X is a very good all-rounder bike. It sits perfectly from going to the shops, an everyday bike, or touring. The engine is smooth, power is manageable, and is comfortable. This machine will definitely suit a large majority of riders. We notice more power with the NC750X at its low to mid-range over the older models. Honda redesigned the first 3 gears to be shorter and it was apparent. However, high-speed power suffered a little. It felt like the machine ran out of steam at the higher revs, but it's not designed as a speed demon. Still okay. The suspension was pretty good out of the box. The shocks felt plush and the bike felt planted. We would have preferred to see the NC750X come with a main stand, a USB power outlet and cruise control as standard. The exhaust note was nice but on the softer side. Let's have a listen. Good for when you come back home in the AM and don't want to wake the neighbors, or touring. We found the new windshield to be quite small. Third-party options are available to suit. We noticed some slight heat from the bike after some highway riding, but it is very tolerable. Still okay. The slow speed handling of the bike was exceptional. Having an under-seat fuel tank keeps all that weight down low, and that really helps. High-speed handling was equally good. With that, we hope you like, share and subscribe. I'm Winston and see you on the road.